Welcome to the kitchen.
I
Luda, this is where the
love the
magic
kitchen.
happens.
Okay.
Meet the team.
Hello,
Chef
everybody.
Daniel Peach.
What up?
All right. Woo! We got you set up.
Yeah.
Let's suit up. So, first thing we're going to start with is some of the street food.
Yeah.
Kale pakoras.
I love pakoras.
And kale, healthy. We got ourselves a chickpea flour, and here are the spices. Why chickpea flour? It's healthier, it's gluten-free, and it doesn't absorb oil.
How come I don't know about chickpea flour? I try to be as healthy as
That's
possible.
why you are here, sir.
I should know these things.
Notice how little I'm using?
Yes.
Moderation.
Moderation.
Just a little bit of heat.
Yep.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Ajwain, smell that. Insane in the ajwain.
Insane in the ajwain.
So this is bishop's weed, and it adds sort of almost like a nuttiness to these dishes. Very popular in fried food. Chilies,
Yeah.
again, just light. Salt. So add your dry stuff, and then you stir it all together.
Yep.
All right, that's looking good.
Looks like pancake batter.
Exactly, that
Yeah.
is the consistency we want.
Okay.
Let's show that to everybody. See that?
Woo!
That's what you want.
I love it.
So of course it's raw.
Raw.
Do you feel like it needs more salt? Any more spices? How's the level to you?
It feels complex, which I think it's the perfect amount of spices and I think the perfect amount of seasoning.
I'm gonna take your word for it.
Yeah.
And then this part is easy. We're gonna fry. Go ahead and glove up. Let's get one on.
Glove up.
Yes, sir. So, kale pakora is almost done. Now, the beautiful thing about this batter is you can pretty much, whatever you don't use, whatever you make at home, you can save it for
Yeah.
other stuff. If you want to use carrots, potatoes,
Right.
onions. And traditionally in India, this dish is onions, potatoes, and other kinds of vegetables.
Right.
We're in the South. Kale, baby.
I love kale.
Awesome.
That's
Let's
my leaf of choice.
So go ahead and drop that basket down for me. And this is as simple as coating it in the batter that we just made. So when you drop it in, don't just drop it in a big clump, don't drop it from a height. What you want to do is, get the batter up, hold it for a second, and drop it away from you.
Got it.
And that way the oil won't splatter up on you.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me try one of those.
Go for it, sir.
Pull this
There we
in.
go. And get it close.
Get it
You don't want
close.
drippings everywhere. Yeah, drop it
in like that.
and away from
And
you.
then away from it.
Perfect. Oh, look at that. You
Come
look
on,
like
man.
you've done this before.
I'm a natural.
So this is going to take a few minutes to fry. There's not much you can do.
Yep.
It's really important once you first drop anything in the fryer to not mess with it.
Gotcha.
Why? Because we want the batter to set around the leaf.
Yeah.
If you start jiggling or working or going like, oh, how's this doing? You just fling in the batter off. But in a couple of seconds, once the batter sets, then you can kind of give them a little turn, a little flip over. Alrighty. All right, so we let it drip.
Yep.
Get that excess oil off of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Get it in there, and now we toss it with some chaat masala.
Ooh, that smells great.
Masala. Give it a little. Get it some more while it's happening. Put these bad boys on there. And some chutneys.
Okay.
So we got some green chutney.
I know that there was chilies, onion, a little cilantro, lemon juice,
Yeah, for the acidity, absolutely.
and there was one more ingredient.
Probably some mint.
Mint. That's what it was.
Excellent. And this here is sweetened yogurt. And the reason we put the yogurt here is because it helps.
Digestive.
Yes, he's
I listen.
remembering.
Ah.
All right, man. Let's try your kale pakora. Just dip one in. You can double dip.
Double
yeah.
dipping. Wow.
You like it?
I'm a fan.
And it's not, see, it's not leaving too much oil in the fingers.
I'm a certified fan, man. It's definitely worth the wait, and it's a lot better when you know exactly what ingredients are in it.
And that is damn good.
When you know what ingredients, not just throwing a bunch of ingredients in.
I am almost in tears right now, Luda.
This is great.
I'm
Toast,
almost
man.
in
Toast.
tears. Almost in tears. I can't believe I actually got you to admit.
You're getting through to me.
Got it. I love it. Woo!